All right, everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By. And today, here we have a Casio Vintage Collection unboxing. So, Black Friday came and went very fast. I was lucky enough to get back from my vacation to see some of the sales that were happening here locally. And I saw this one on, I believe it was bestbuy.ca, one of the least likely places I ever thought I would buy a watch from. But it popped up on my Instagram. We all know that feeling, and I saw it and I was like, okay, let's take a look. And today we have a wrist check of a Pagani Design Speedy Homage, and this has been getting a ton of wrist time. And cheers! I just got home from work and gonna have a quick espresso. All right, so let's get right into this thing. Like I said, Black Friday deal came and went. I saw, I've always been looking at this model. There's been always three iterations, three, different color variants of it. And I wasn't sure which one I was going for. I like them all. Don't want them all, can't have them all. And so I went full C3PO. Look at that thing. That is awesome. Look at those retro vibe colors. Nice espresso tone. Just amazing. What a cool little watch. So on the back, it shows you the four buttons, the four pushers: light, start, and then reset and mode. So you flip those around, and those are your pushers on the front. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I got another one here. I'm gonna take off my Pagani. Obviously have the F91W. So we all know that watch. And then over here, I also have my A158. Now, when it comes to these vintage style watches, these are the three here. I know some are, new old stock or whatever it may be, but these three for me are the ones that do it, are the ones that punch way above their weight in value for me, just because of what they bring. They're small, they only do a couple of things. Alarm, the backlights on some of them are terrible, like on these two. We'll take a look at what the backlight is on this one. So yeah, like I said, just three classics. This is basically my son's. I bought it for him, but occasionally he wants to wear it, and then the odd time he's either playing with it or I find it, in his toy box or something. So, but this one here, this A158, I like this one in particular just because of the bracelet. I always like the bracelet on this one. And so on my 6 3/4 inch wrist, this is what it would look like. So still wearable, still enjoyable. And then obviously you have like a new size now, and they're calling this one 40 millimeters on the internet, but square watches, they don't always wear the same. And so this rectangular kind of style case is so cool. I'm glad I got the full bling master. And yeah, it just gives me those, back in the day when times were good and things were easy and you're sitting down playing Super Mario Brothers on Super Nintendo. That's what this kind of watch reminds me of, the controller and all the different colors and all that. Um, this watch obviously wasn't out back then, but it's kind of a reiteration of the types of watches that were around back in the day, where people used to wear these very often. There was very common you to see someone walking down the street with a cheap Casio on, and I kind of like that they're bringing back the vintage line and all that kind of stuff. So pretty cool from Casio, one of the best brands in the world, and they just keep knocking it out of the park. Once again, they make a silver version, or stainless steel, plastic resin, whatever it is, and then they make a black version. I was really, really looking forward to seeing the black, but that one has always been sold out. Then the silver, and then obviously the gold. Not too many people are gonna go with it, but look at that light play on that bracelet. Just tremendous. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments which one you like, which color you would have gone with, and or if you even like these watches at all. It's quartz, digital, cheap plastic looking gold thing. If you guys are into that or not, let me know. But I'm digging the vibes. So Until the next one, cheers.